Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have live swatches on one of Glisten & Glow's newer collections called Inner Peace Collection. This collection consists of 4 gorgeous cream polishes with some metallic flakes. They all go really well together and they're available right now on the Glisten & Glow website, which I will leave linked in the description box below. The entire collection retails for $40, or you could buy each individual polish for $11 each, but let's go ahead and get on into the swatches. The first polish in this collection is called Mindful Meditation. This is described as a light orchid cream polish with purple metallic flakes. So for this polish, I applied 3 thin coats. I feel like it was almost opaque in 2 coats, but I did apply a 3rd thin coat for full opacity and for extra layering effect of those flakies. I'm also going to apply the Glisten & Glow top coat for a super glossy finish, and here are 3 coats of Mindful Meditation with the Glisten & Glow top coat. With all of these polishes, I'm also going to show you what they look like matte, so here it is with the Glisten & Glow matte top coat. And here's a comparison between the glossy and matte swatches of Mindful Meditation. Up next is Exhale the Past, and this is described as a light peach cream polish with green metallic flakes. I thought this was such a unique combination with that neutral peach cream base and those vibrant green metallic flakes, but I think it worked really well together. Again, I applied 3 coats of this polish and I applied the Glisten & Glow top coat. So here are 3 coats of Exhale the Past with the Glisten & Glow top coat. And here's Exhale the Past with the Glisten & Glow matte top coat. And a comparison between the glossy and matte swatches of Exhale the Past. This next one is my favorite in the collection. It's called Inhale the Future, and it's described as a light seafoam green cream polish with copper metallic flakes. I just loved the contrast between the cool tone seafoam green base and the warm tone copper metallic flakes. The copper metallic flakes look kind of gold under some lighting, but the combination between the two, it was just so pretty. Again, I applied 3 coats of this polish and I applied the Glisten & Glow top coat. So here are 3 coats of Inhale the Future with the Glisten & Glow top coat. Here's the matte swatch of Inhale the Future with the Glisten & Glow matte top coat. And here's a comparison between the glossy and matte swatches of Inhale the Future. And last but not least, this polish is called Just Breathe, and this is described as a blue-toned gray cream polish with blue metallic flakes. I think this combination also worked really well together. That dusty blue base with those shiny blue metallic flakes worked so well together. Again, I applied 3 coats of this polish for full opacity and I applied the Glisten & Glow top coat. So here are 3 coats of Just Breathe with the Glisten & Glow top coat. Here's the matte swatch with the Glisten & Glow matte top coat. And here's the comparison between the glossy and matte swatches of Just Breathe. So here's one more look at the swatches of the 4 polishes from Glisten & Glow's Inner Peace collection. Again, this collection is available right now at the Glisten & Glow website, which I will leave linked in the description box below. You can get the entire collection with all 4 polishes for $40, or you could purchase the individual polishes for $11 each. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching these live swatches. Let me know which polish was your favorite from the collection in the comments below, and I will leave a link to my Glisten and Glow playlist on your screen at the end of the video, as well as a link to where you can shop these polishes down below. If you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, but anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!